Today, we are not talking about small, predictable upgrades or minor spec bumps that barely change the experience. What we are looking at here feels like a genuine shift in the drone industry, something that could redefine what creators expect from a compact aerial system. This is shaping up to be what many are already calling a true Mavic killer, a device that challenges the long-standing hierarchy of drone categories by bringing flagship-level performance into a form factor that was previously considered limited. The idea that a sub-250-gram drone could carry a professional-grade 1-inch sensor and advanced LiDAR navigation once sounded unrealistic, but now it appears to be very real. For creators who travel frequently and want the highest possible image quality without dealing with heavy gear or complex regulations, this upcoming release might be the perfect solution. After spending time analyzing early leaks, patent filings, and supply chain reports, it is becoming clear that this is not just another refresh. This is a strategic leap aimed directly at professionals and serious enthusiasts who refuse to compromise. At the center of this drone is its camera system, and that is where things get especially exciting. For years, the 1-inch sensor has been reserved for larger drones like the Air and Mavic series, leaving smaller models with noticeable limitations in image quality. Now, that barrier is being broken. The rumored new generation sensor is designed to capture up to 6K video at 60 frames per second, which is a massive step forward for a drone that can fit in your palm. This kind of resolution is not just about sharper footage, it is about flexibility. Content creators can shoot wide and then crop into vertical formats for platforms like TikTok or Instagram without sacrificing quality, maintaining crisp 4K output even after reframing. Beyond resolution, the expected dynamic range of around 14 stops means significantly better performance in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you are shooting a bright sunset or a high-contrast snowy landscape, the camera should retain detail in both highlights and shadows, something that was previously difficult in this category. Low-light performance is also expected to improve dramatically, thanks to a wider aperture and higher native ISO capabilities, potentially allowing for cinematic nighttime footage with natural depth and pleasing background separation. Another breakthrough feature that stands out is the introduction of LiDAR-based navigation. Traditional obstacle avoidance systems rely heavily on vision sensors, which struggle in low-light conditions or complete darkness. This limitation has always made nighttime flying risky and often restricted advanced shooting scenarios. By integrating a compact LiDAR system, this drone could completely change that experience. LiDAR works by emitting laser pulses to map the surroundings in 3 dimensions, allowing the drone to see, even without visible light. This means it could navigate through complex environments like forests or urban structures at night with impressive precision. For filmmakers and explorers, this opens up entirely new creative possibilities, enabling shots that were previously too dangerous or simply impossible to attempt. Signal reliability is another area where improvements are expected. Anyone who has flown a drone in a crowded urban environment knows how frustrating interference can be. Losing signal right as you line up the perfect shot is a common issue, especially in cities filled with competing wireless signals. The new transmission system being rumored aims to address this with better frequency management and stronger resistance to interference. With a claimed range of up to 20 kilometers, it is not about flying that far, but about maintaining a stable connection even when obstacles like buildings or trees come between you and the drone. This added reliability brings a level of confidence that is crucial when performing complex maneuvers or capturing once-in-a-lifetime footage. Battery life is another area where this drone appears to push boundaries. Achieving close to 45 minutes of flight time on a standard battery in such a lightweight body is already impressive, but the possibility of extended batteries pushing that closer to an hour is almost unheard of in this category. This extended flight time changes how shoots are planned and executed. Instead of constantly worrying about battery swaps and limited airtime, creators can focus more on composition, timing, and creativity. It allows for longer continuous shots and reduces interruptions, which can be especially valuable when waiting for the perfect lighting conditions. The design itself is also evolving, moving toward a more aerodynamic and performance-focused look. One of the most interesting upgrades is the expanded gimbal range, allowing for more dramatic camera angles, including upward-facing shots that were previously restricted. This opens the door to more dynamic perspectives, such as capturing towering skyscrapers or steep mountain cliffs from unique viewpoints. Vertical shooting capabilities are also being refined, making it easier to switch orientations quickly and maintain stability, even in challenging wind conditions. Of course, with all these high-end features, pricing becomes a critical question. Early leaks suggest that this drone will not sit in the traditional entry-level category anymore. Instead, it is moving into a premium space, reflecting the level of technology being offered. While the price increase may initially seem steep, it starts to make sense when you consider what you are getting. A drone with near-flagship performance that avoids many regulatory restrictions and fits easily into a small bag or even a jacket pocket offers a level of convenience that is hard to quantify. For professionals, the time saved during travel and the reduced need for permits or registrations could easily justify the cost. As for the release timeline, indications point toward a late 2026 launch, likely timed to capture the holiday market. This aligns with typical industry patterns, where major tech releases are strategically positioned for maximum impact. For those currently using older models, the decision to upgrade will depend on individual needs. However, if your work involves demanding lighting conditions, heavy post-production cropping, or advanced flight scenarios, this new drone could represent a significant step forward. What makes this release particularly important is what it represents for the future of drone technology. It signals a shift where small size no longer means limited capability. Instead, it suggests a future where portability and professional performance go hand in hand, removing many of the compromises that users have had to accept in the past. As more details emerge and official announcements draw closer, it will be interesting to see how these features perform in real-world conditions. If the leaks hold true, this drone could set a new benchmark and redefine expectations for years to come.